Round 1 of attempting to make chili crisp oil. Garlic in, onions ready to go. These are to crisp up, and these are to flavor the oil further. As well as all of these wonderful seasonings: bay leaf, red pepper, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and I'm using peanut oil, all to go into this jar. Yep. Additional seasonings for afterwards. Next stage good. We got the shallots and the red onions all fried up. They're not as crispy as I'd like them, but it'll do. I have just pulled out the ingredients to make the oil all yummy. Oh, I gotta get that stuff out of there. Next step, the oil gets put in over top of all this, which contains some smoked paprika, some chili flakes, MSG, salt, and sesame oil. And last but not least, we put the nice hot oil into the jar. Ooh. To boil everything up. Let's clean that and give it a little stir. Let everything get all their flavors in order. Yeah, there we go. Some nice yummy chili oil. Now, one last step. We let this sit. We let this cool. And then we add all of our yummy crispy bits. Yes. And we finally have some yummy, delicious chili oil. Oh my God, this stuff is going to be so delicious over chicken or rice, or my personal favorite, I put it in ramen. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, now to cover it up, put it in the fridge and let it marry all those flavors together, and it'll be perfect tomorrow when I have some ramen. Oh, delish.